How to change language in Hopper app. Hopper is a mobile application for travel that predicts the best times to book flights and hotels to save money. First, download Hopper app from Play Store or App Store. When you open the app, it will show this interface. Click on Allow. Click on Here. Then click on Sign Up or Login. You can sign in through phone number or Google. After sign in, tap on your profile picture. Tap on Change Language. Select the language you want to change to. The language will be changed the next time the app is opened. That's it. Thanks for watching.